New Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s smartphone. 128GB/256GB. MediaTek Helio G96. 6.43-inch AMOLED DotDisplay. 5000 mAh 108MP camera. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s is a smartphone with the following features. Storage options, 128GB or 256GB. Processor, MediaTek Helio G96. Display, 6.43-inch AMOLED DotDisplay. Battery, 5000 mAh. Camera, 108MP main camera. It offers a high-resolution display and a substantial battery capacity, making it suitable for multimedia and extensive usage. The 108MP camera promises excellent photo quality, while the MediaTek Helio G96 ensures solid performance for everyday tasks.